Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Trends. I'm Silverbacked, and in these videos I come to you daily with my Heikin-Ashi trend analysis for the top 10 cryptos in order of ranking for largest market cap, and I will let you know whether I'm going long or taking a position, whether it's ranging and I'm staying out into USD or cash, or whether I'm actually taking a short position. As you can see here, I've actually pre-done this before I jumped onto the video. So ADA, everything's ranging except for ADA, Doge, and Link. The daily candle just closed, so I've now got a candle printed that's informing me that I've got a Heikin-Ashi trend. Downtrend to take a short on ADA, Doge, and Link. So what I'm doing is I'm in my account. I'm basically, as you know, I'm trading 10 assets with no leverage, isolated just to those particular trades. I use 10% of my account, and I place that on each trade. So I'm going to go short ADA here. So just click on this one, go short. Okay, so we've got the first position. Now the stop loss level on that is I'll bring this across. ADA. My stop loss level, my 1 day stop loss level is up here. You can pretty clearly see it there if I just move this across. I've actually just labeled them. There is a 4-hour stop loss, don't worry about that, that's for shorter time frames. But 70.39 cents is the level, and as you can see in here on ADA, 70.39 cents, same thing. So basically all I'm going to do is come in here and go take profit stop loss, trigger price 0.70.39 cents, and under the stop loss, that's the trigger where I would want to get out, and that's obviously based upon the beginning of this bullish candle. So you can see bullish candle, bullish for the downside, bearish candle, it's red. So basically when it's red and it's got a body like that and it's actually got a wick pointing down with nothing at the top, it means it's got direction. When it's got a wick at the top and the bottom, irrespective of color, it shows me indecision, and I'll just stay out. So I do not participate. There's 2 million cryptos. I don't need to be in ones that aren't trending. Same as any market, really. I'm just developing the opinion over time, just through experience. There's no point in jumping into something if it's not trending. Like, there's so many things to choose from. I mean, part of the problem of this altcoin cycle is that we've got instead of 20,000 altcoins, we've got 2 million. So, and it's obviously much harder to get an altcoin to pump now, because of that. Because people are looking at strongest narrative, best use case, and most successful team and best technology, and you know it's got to be like a perfect storm. The ones that are making it to the top 10, otherwise, or very close to the top 10. That's why I look at the top 18. But anyway, I'll get on with it. Otherwise, I'm just going to be talking all the way through this before and missing out on making money. But there you go. I've already made 21 cents. Look at that. So next one in my my picks is that I've identified, and the 1 day is Doge. Dogecoin. Let's pull this up. DOGE. Here we are. We're on 1x leverage and isolated. Nice. And then essentially what I do is, as always, I'm obviously using 10 potential positions in the top 10. So therefore I can only put 10% maximum if I want to hold aside capital for all of them, if they all were to go in one direction, which does happen. So I want to just click on last and then go open short. Boom. You know what? I could have actually punched in a stop loss as I was doing it, which I'll probably do. I've got two. After this, I've got one more. I'll probably show you how to do that. It's probably more expedient. So that one was Doge, and with Doge, I mean, you can see here. So there is the 1 day stop loss. It's just up here, and it's just printed out there, 17.83. Alright, so if I go to Doge and go here, We've already made 69 cents. 0.17. What did I say? 17 point something, 6 something. Give me a look. Here we go. 17.83. What put me off there was 0.17 is because I had a different amount in my table here. 0.1783. Actually, that was the 4 hour I was changing there too. So let me just 1 second. Sorry, I just got to pause to just go back and look at this. Oh yeah, 1762. 17.62 was right for the 4 hour, but 17.83 is the right stop loss level for the 1 day. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, 17.83 cents stop loss going short, and the next one is Link in my table. Link is a short there. Now I'm going to go through all the top 18. I haven't done them yet. I'm basically just going to do the top 10 to start with, and I'll continue on through this video to do the rest of it. If you guys are only concerned with the top 10, so we are short, and let's have a look and see. Let's go to Link. Okay, and what do we have? You can see there's the 1 day stop loss up there. As you can see, the candle this candle just closed bearish with a nice wick pointing down. We are still above the 50 EMA, but you know, if that turns around, you know, I'll get out of it there. So 14.799. Right, so what was this? This was the Doge stop loss, wasn't it? Yeah. Doge was 17.83. Confirm. Sorry to be all over the place. There you go. So I've got my stop loss there. Okay, the next one to go and enter is Link. It's a far away Link. Okay, so that is another short, as I mentioned. It looks terrible on the 1 hour, but then on the daily, it's actually just starting a short, so it's actually a good entry, technically speaking. So all I'm doing is again 1x. I'm using 10% of my account. Again, no leverage, isolated, and just before I hit the short, I just go last and then short. What that does is it brings the price close to where it was last. Yeah, so I'm done. I've got my Link short set up at now 14.799 is the stop loss level. Just go into my chart and double check that. 1 day is 14.799. Yeah, so that's right. So again, I was going to do it at the same time. Sorry guys. I'll try and get in the habit of doing that. Just as whole position, partial position, or trailing stop, which actually automatically trails it and closes it for you. That's the whole position. So what we need to do is go $14.799, $14.80. You know, so we are done. So we have now our 3 positions. We are short ADA, Doge, and Link, and until tomorrow, where I will come through and I'll look through all these. After the close of the 1 day candle is where I actually look at the data. Again, you know, all these market makers. And just people in general, it's just a general thing that people don't wait for candles to close before they actually make decisions on the next what candle to come and what's got happening in the future. Now, obviously, this is a futures market, so perhaps just alone taking stock of when the candle closes on the higher time frames will inform you better about what your opinion of that you develop of the trend is. Just with some basic tools like simple like an Archie. I don't even need that. Anyway, so that's so I'll leave it there, guys. I won't. I mean, I'm just gonna. I don't want to pad the video. So essentially, jump into the Substack. It's free, and the only paid section is the actual private community chat. If you want to get in there to talk directly to me and other traders. Otherwise, yeah, just stick your nose in there. It's all free. Subscribe. It's all free. And I'll put a summary with this table. I'll go through and check out the rest of the 11 to 18 of the top 10, and I will put this table. Where is it? This thing. Yeah, I'll put this in, but fully filled in. I already skipped ahead from the magic of videos, and I've already done it. I don't even really need to know that's been stopped out. That's okay. Yeah, so that's all good. They're the time frames that have been making money. Just generally, I just leave a little breadcrumbs there to let me know which time frames have most recently made money. It's not one exact science. It's just something I just do. So yeah, so if you want to snapshot this, or I'll throw it into the blog. And let you guys know. All of this I think is still right at the time of filming. Yeah, 34 minutes left, still in those candles. So all those 4-hour trends and stop losses are still correct for the next 34 minutes on the 4-hour. Anyway, that's it. That's it, guys. And yeah, just check the notes in the Substack, and all the details will be there, including a screenshot of all this for you as well. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Oh, and just quickly before I go, with the 1 day, because I did skip ahead and came back instantly for you guys there on that end of it. XLM, HBAR, SHIB, and OKB are all shorts on the 1 day. The stop loss levels is 28.2 cents on XLM. It's 18.9 cents on HBAR for stop loss, and 1.367 cents on SHIB, and 52.22 cents on OKB. Anyway, thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.